Welcome in a universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is taking care of your body. This is very important because we are just like plants. Like the seed, we are limitless. We just have to discover that inner potential that lies dormant within us. And like a plant, we are also fragile. In the sense that we need nutrition and we need sunlight and we need to take care of ourselves. Now, when we speak about taking care of ourselves, it is mostly about raising your vibrations and raising your levels of consciousness. But this must include your body too. Now, if you want to go to the market, but you are not taking the time to fill in gas or petrol in your car, how will you reach the market? That is to say, you have to give in what the body requires, and it does not require too much of anything. Simple care and everyday care. That is what we have to include in our self-love and self-care philosophy. Now, taking care is generally connected to exercising because that makes us look good and we fit in those clothes that we would want to buy. But the thing is, nobody knows what is going on inside of us, that is inside the body, and that is where you have to give your attention to. What about vitamin D intake? What about vitamins? What about green leafy vegetables and all the nutrition that you ever require for keeping your body healthy? Now you have to go in for balanced diet. Hard work is related to I had 3 cups of coffee the entire night. I studied, I watched those educational videos. That is hard work. Not taking care of yourself, not sleeping. Body care will include at least 8 hours of deep sleep. Body care will include having your breakfast, lunch and dinner in time. Body care will include having adequate water throughout the day so that you don't feel dehydrated. Now, if you do not take care of your body, what happens is initially you will not see any difference. You'll be energetic, everything will be going fine. But then the body starts showing you signs. And it can be in the form of allergy, pain here and there, not feeling quite energetic, not feeling very well. You have to give attention, pay heed to these signs because this is the language of the body. You don't have to ignore these signs saying that this will get well on its own. No, you have to pay heed, and it only shows that this is a signal that you are not taking care, adequate care of your body, and you need to stop. You need to pause and meditate and just visit all the organs of your body and feel where you don't feel quite good or where is the pain in your body or where you are not feeling quite all right in any part of your body. So when you give attention to different parts of your body every day, you will know how you are feeling inherently. It is very important because body is the vehicle of the soul. You can raise your vibrations and become soul consciousness, but the soul has to travel in a vehicle which is your body, and your body is a very complex machine. Now, attending your class doesn't mean that you leave your breakfast. Just make it a point that you must have your breakfast, whether it means leaving your class. So next day what will happen is you will get up early because you know you cannot miss the class and you must have your breakfast. So if you have a personal constitution, basic protocols, everyday protocols, I must get up early, have water, do my breathing exercises, go for morning walk, take care of myself, meditate a little, and then get prepared for the entire day so you remain aligned throughout the day and you feel good because you are in control of your emotions, of your body. You know your body, you have connected with your body through meditation in the morning, and not only body, you have connected with your soul purpose also. So that is how you have to remain connected with you. And when I say you, it means your body and soul both, not only soul but your body too. Body is underrated. We will exercise because it makes us look good, but what are you taking in, or what are you not taking in, which must be taken in, which is required for your body? You have to pay heed to these. Adequate amount of sunlight. So leave those gadgets inside and go out in the sun and connect with nature. And this you have to do every day. This will make you feel really good. You will connect to nature. Also, it will help you raise your vibration. So hard work is good, but not when you are leaving your body aside, the needs of your body aside, and then working hard. That means you are not respecting yourself, and you have to respect yourself so that others respect you. And this includes taking care of your body and soul, looking good, feeling good, and then going out for work. So you have to keep in mind how important taking care of this vehicle of your soul is, because you cannot pray if you are not feeling good. You cannot love anybody if you are not feeling good. You cannot focus on your blessings also if you are not feeling good, and you will feel quite negative if you know some kind of ailment is there. So take care before you actually feel sick. And in case you are not well, then also you have to think positive, because our body has got a pharmacy of its own. Its general direction is towards well-being. Now, when you really do not take care of yourself, that is when you fall sick. So even after you have fallen sick, if you start taking care of yourself, having proper food, balanced diet, water, going out for exercise and taking in sunlight, and sleeping in time, and watching your conversations, self-affirmations, and what you watch on the internet, your inputs must be positive and empowering. Your body will start showing signs of improvement, and you will start taking another path of well-being and good health. So it is that easy. We also have to remind ourselves that body is the space where life energy is flowing within us, and where life energy is generated within us. And now it depends on your inputs, how you are treating your body, how you are taking care of your emotions, well-being, creativity. So how you feel decides how you are. That is your well-being. And it is so important that there is free flow of life energy within the 7 chakras of your body, and this is possible only when you are conscious of this flow of life energy within you, and you take care of your body. All you have to do is maintain that path of well-being, take care of yourself, and remember those protocols you have set for yourself about taking care of your body and your soul. First is your body. Why? Because body is the vehicle of the soul. If you do not take care of your body, and you have raised your vibrations and soul consciousness and everything, what is the vehicle on which your soul will travel? Make it a beautiful vehicle, branded vehicle, healthy vehicle, well-kept vehicle, and that is why it is very important to take care of your body. So this was just a reminder. Take care of yourself, take care of your body vehicle, your body machine, and feel good, because then your soul will also be happy. It knows you are taking care of its vehicle. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. You know it. I love you, and I send you my love and blessings. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Namaste.